Yan, video. We are here at Costa Palmera Resort. Picture taking muna, picture taking. Tignan nyo naman ang ano guys, ang view.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on,
Yun ang mayon.
I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again,
Teka lang, Mick.
sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the
Video. Pwede pala kahit dito na lang pang vlog natin.